Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of Building the Back to the Future DeLorean. In this issue, we will be putting the surrounds to the engine. What does it say? The engine bay. It's just building up the engine bay. So lots of bits to that. Not much actually going on. Putting little brackets on, fitting another thing to it, and then fitting that to that. Bar across. Fitting the surrounds to the part that we've been working on the last few times, and that is that. That really how it starts to come together. Lots of details on there that I don't remember and recognise, but it's great. Another slice of time. ILM worked their wizardry to send the DeLorean back to 1885. Yeah, more fiery tyres and stuff. Interesting stuff to read if you have the desire to. John Ford, the father of the Western, apparently. Director. Helped develop the Western genre. See, with old Marion, someone, John Wayne. I can't remember his name. Yeah, here he is. Yes, next time I think we're finishing off the engine bay and installing it to the car, to the frame of the car, not the body, but onto the exterior. So let's have a look at these in colour rather than the grayscale that they put on the back. So we've got all the stuff that we've been working on from before, which we're not doing anything with immediately. First up, we are fitting these little brackets to the inside of that bit. No, that bit. Or that bit. One of those. This bit. No. What does it look like? It looks a bit like that, but the slots are in a different place. Unless it's on that side. That side. There we go. It looks just like that. We're fitting these to that. These are the same by the looks of it, so you don't need to worry which one's which. They are going to fit in there. Seriously, they don't matter, but if that one fits in there, they are different sizes by the looks of it. So one will only fit in one will only fit in the other. So get them the right way round. We'll be using AP screws to hold that in place, as well as AP screws for the next bit as well, which is that one going on to a different bit. Yeah, there we go. I thought it'd be the same colour. So that's going to go together with that, again with AP screws. Then we've got the silver bit goes into the top of that, just like that. That was nice and easy. Then we get to attach that to those brackets. Again, more AP screws, so that's going to go on there like that. Then we get to fit this and that. Right, let me get this bit done, and then we'll get on to the next stage. Okay, that's that all installed into there. Looking good. One more AP screw will hold this bracket in place. It does have an up and a down. Which one's which? Let's see. The down bit is down, so you can imagine the flat bit that goes in there that way round. Get that through there and screwing into there. Bit like that. That then just slots into there. Some sort of air intake or something. Go. That's that one there. Oh, not fully in. That's better. That's in there. Cool. It's all coming together. Now we get to put that aside for a little while and work back on this. We're putting this onto there on the inside. A bit like that. And then these two bits go on the other side with the bar going back across. Yeah, nice and easy. Right, these are all DM screws for most of this because this is going into the metal bits. So let's get a few of those out. Again, one through there. One next to it on the other side. Nice. I did consider and am still considering whether or not to do any painting or highlighting on these. I'm not at the moment, but there is the possibility that that might happen at some point. So yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. It next says to put that one on there, and obviously on that side, like so, with a couple more of these DM screws. I've missed a cut. I need to get slightly more DM screws out of there. One missed off the edge of the screwdriver. Getting these wires trapped anywhere. Don't want them popping through the front. One on there. That one will go in there. Just like that. Nice. They're secure. Another one of those out from there. Leaving one. That's going to be the last one in the packet there. I'm going to need a couple of the other ones, the AM, as well in a moment. Let's get those out of there while I'm here. Actually, 3 of them I will need. So this one is going to go. Won't drop that screw. Where did that screw go? Ah, there it is. And there it stayed. Why am I having trouble picking up that particular screw with magnets? Very strange. Right, so that one is going to go on there again. Getting these wires out of the way. Definitely that screw, for some reason, is not liking being magnetized. Let's get it in place so it doesn't have to worry anymore. That one through the top bit. Nice. 3 more to do. We've got 2 through here to hold the other end of that together. Can't see them being necessary. Certainly not 2 of them being necessary in there, but that's what the instructions say, so that's what I shall do. No, strain or pull being put on these at all. So spots in one side and 2 screws hold the other side. Fine. And the third one obviously holds that bar across on the other side. Maybe it's the screwdriver that started to lose its magnetism for some reason. Come on, you know exactly where you need to go. You're almost exactly in the right place as well. There you go. So that is that. Another issue done. It's really starting to come together now. So I'm pretty sure that next time we've got the other side of this to put on, and then we're going to fit this to the shell, the chassis, and things start to fill it up from the inside where the engine obviously goes. So thank you very much for joining me on this journey. I shall see you very soon for the next part. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.